Hello everyone, we have given 4 power, 3 power, 2 power, 1 minus 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's start with today's video solution. So let's simplify the expression step by step. So first I am taking the power 2 power 1. The highest one, 2 power 1 is 2. Now the equation becomes 4 power 3 power 2 minus 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm taking 3 power 2 which is equals to 9. So it becomes 4 power 9 minus 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the task is to simplify 4 power 9. So 4 power 9 I can write it as 4 as 2 square whole power 9 and this becomes 2 power 18. Now 2 power 18 is what? 2 power 18 is 262,144. Now simply subtract 1, 2, 3, 4. 262,144. 1, 2, 3, 4. When we subtract, we get 0, 1, and here it becomes 11 minus 2, 9. Again 0, 6, 2. So our final answer is 260910. And if you want me to simplify how we'll reach 2 power 18 directly or step by step, you can comment down below. I will make a separate video on that also. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.